My name is Sofia Pettersson, working for Volvo Group. This week has been very interesting. This course has been a good mixture between lectures and company visits and different lectures as well. The thing I found the most interesting was the visit at CAM2, where they show their machines, and we got some small education of their processes. We are not using this technique today in a broad extent, but I'm here to get a general understanding about the processes and how we can use it in the future. Now I got a really good view of these processes, the pros and cons, and for me it will be to further investigate if it would be beneficial for us to use it in the future and how we can use it.